Hello everyone, my name is Giselle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing another 3D printing and painting. We are 3D printing Jinx's Shark Bomb from the TV series Arcane. I'm absolutely so obsessed with the TV show and Jinx is absolutely amazing. And yeah, so let's get started. So first things first is the 3D printing side of it. Now there were a lot of variations to her Shark Bomb, but this is the one I chose. I'll put the link down below of where you can find it. I did have to pay for this model, but I'm so happy that I did because it is so clear and it printed so high definition. It printed in 3 parts and each part took about 4.5 hours to print. So this is how the 3 sections printed out. Again, it printed so high definition and so clear. I'm so happy with it. So now we got to take off all these support systems. This definitely is such a satisfying part to do because you just get to rip everything all off. Now we're just gluing all the pieces together just because I feel like it's going to be easier to paint it that way. Now it's finally onto painting. Now the colors are pretty basic to this model. It's kind of just like a dark charcoal gray and a brown and kind of like a metal blue. But I wanted to keep these sections really clean, so it did take me a while to paint each section because again, I just wanted to keep it very clean. Now we're on to painting this brown color. Now ignore the color that I'm painting now. It was so orange and I did not like it at all. So what I did is I just waited for it to dry and I painted another section, which you'll see, and then I went back and I painted it more of like a light brown color. We are finally on to painting the markings on Jinx's Shark Bomb. First I tried to go straight in with the pink, but it did not come up as strong as I wanted. So what I did is I grabbed a white and I painted out all the sections of where I wanted all the colors to be. And I'm so happy that I did it because the blue and the pink showed up so strong after I did this. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was such a fun project to do. I think it turned out really well and I'm so happy with it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want me to print anything else, just comment it down below and I will print it. And thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video.